Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to use Lucidchart for beginner. So first, you will see this after you signed in or logged in. Here you can see some templates. For you, agile templates, processes templates, brainstorming, systems, planning, and insights. Here you can see more templates if you click on this. You can have a blank whiteboard or blank diagram if you want to make your own. Next is on recent. Here you can open your recent documents. On start, here you will see items when you add them to start. Next is the documents. You can see your documents here, your own documents, your team folder, and things that you've deleted. Here is shared with me. You can see here files that is shared with you. On here you have your templates and integration. So let's go back to home and click on this template. As you can see here, you can edit your template. Here, you have more templates, popular, recommended, and other things. On this one, you have the shapes. You can add shape here by clicking on it and going and paste it in here like this one. Next one is the containers. You can add containers like this one. And here, you have your conditional formatting. Next is the images. You can add some images that you want to add. Next is data linking. You can visualize your data, refresh your data source to see live updates, import data from Google Sheets, Excel, CSV, and more, and many more. Here you have your visual activities and some AI. Next one is the diagram as code. You can add diagram as code. Next is the marketplace. Here you can buy some things that you want to buy here. For example, that. Next is the quick tools. Here you can see sticky note bank, sticker bank, dot bank, lucid card bank, story bank, t-shirt sizes, and many other things. And that's basically it.